Hey guys, Steve here. In this video, what we're going to do is we're going to continue with our Clickbank Mylead Gen Secret method, where we are taking a free offer off of Clickbank. It's free for us to promote. It's a affiliate network, and I'll show you that in a minute. And emailing it out on a platform called Mylead Gen Secret, which is a platform that gives you 100 to 200 leads every day for $30 a month, right? And as you know, as we've been going through this experiment, we've already made enough to pay for a whole year of Mylead Gen Secret, and that's just in the last 26 days. And today is day number, this was day number 26 here. Today is day number 27, or the 27th day that we've been doing this experiment. Now, I think I missed the day in here somewhere, but still, I'm still emailing daily, so I may have missed the video, but yeah, it's all the same thing, right? We are going onto Clickbank, getting the offer, copying and pasting it, putting it into Mylead Gen Secret, and email blasting it over to the 100 to 200 leads that we've gotten. So far, I think we got over 70,000 emails. But anyway, let's cut all the chit chat and jump right in, right? So let me pull up my Mylead Gen Secret here. Just let me get the screen in my little broadcaster right here. Let's do this. Let's resize all of this. Front and center stage. Boom. Mylead Gen Secret. Boom. Fit it right in the window right here. Got it. So here's the Mylead Gen Secret website. I'm logging in. Okay, so where we are is we are yesterday. Today's the 9th, right? Stats. To jump over to the stats, we are right here off of yesterday's email, which was on the 8th, which is here, right? Today's the 9th. So we got 3,900 opens, which is here. 3,900 opens, 5.54 open rate, 163 clicks, right? And if you remember, on the 7th, we sent out this email here with $247, help you. Right, this was an email I sent out, and primarily let me see. This was an email that was not a Clickbank offer. I just sent out one email blast, just trying something. I think that was Friday. As you can see, with this subject line, we had 3,000 opens, 208 clicks, and that was for one of my offers, my 100% commission offers. I figured I'd go just send it. What the heck, right? So then the next day, which is on the 8th, all I did was modify this same email. Instead of saying $247, I changed it to $300. And inside the email, I actually put the Clickbank offer here, dated 1/8/2022. I put another Clickbank, the same Clickbank offer here is link number 2, right? Oh, you know what I didn't do? I didn't call it link 1 and 2. Ah, shoot. But anyway, I sent this out yesterday, 08/2022, and then I put a free, I put another opportunity in, which is a free ebook. And I'll just show you what that is real quick so you can see what I sent out in my PS line. It was this opportunity here where you get a free 30-minute workday escape plan for free, right? And actually, I'll put this in a link in the description box below. It's a PDF that shows you how you can have a 30-minute workday. But anyway, so I had that here, right? So anyway, let's close that. And these are the numbers, the opens and the clickers. So what we'll do is we'll jump over. Oh, let's check our affiliates real quick. Our affiliate commissions. We had one sign up on the 7th, which is cool. Sign up, and they got the OTO, and then this is a recurring commission. That's what RC stands for. So anyway, that's my affiliate downline is growing slowly, but hopefully as they partner with me, they reach out to me, because it's hard for me to communicate with Mylead Gen Secret. Doesn't have a clear way to communicate with affiliates, so hopefully they reach out to me, and then we can connect. And I can show them how to do the Clickbank method, or they can watch the videos, right? That's what they're there for. So anyway, what we're going to do is jump over to Clickbank and check our results there. right? Let's log into ClickBank. Boom, ClickBank. ClickBank is a affiliate network that you can promote thousands of offers, right? They're all free. You don't have to buy them first. I'm logging in here, spinning. Let's see. Wonder why it's taking so long. All right, let me close it and just try it again. ClickBank. Let's go log in. Let's go click here. And then we go log in. Ooh, look at that, 135. Okay, we got another sale. 6/9, today's the 9th, January 9th. We got another sale today of $67.54, right? Wow, look at that. Okay, sale, 1, 2, sale. 1, 2, sale. 1, 2, 3, 4, sale. 1, 2, sale. So hey, so every couple days, right? Every 3 to 4 days, we can go 3 to 4 days and get a sale. That's what it seems like, right? So we can keep doing that. But anyway, congratulations, right? $67.54. Let me know if you're doing the same method and if you got a sale today, right? Drop it in the comments below. That's a cool way to interact, and maybe we can share strategies, right? But anyway, so let's go back. Let's zoom in real quick and see what this was about. This sale came on January 9th at 8 o'clock in the morning. This is like 8 o'clock in the morning. That's an upsell of $45. This is the main sale. The original sale was $21.71. It came from our link that we sent yesterday, and they came from Texas. Hey, I'm in Texas too. What a coincidence, right? And that was our hops. They paid with PayPal. So let's jump over back to the dashboard real quick, and let's look at the reporting. Let's look at the hops, right? Let's zoom in to tracking ID, and we are looking for 1-8, right? It was 018 right here. This one right here. It had 90 hops, right? 90 hops got us that sale. $21 on the front end and $45 on the upsell for a total of $67.54. Now, if you guys didn't know, also what may be happening here is, let's go back to Marketplace. Let's go, because we're going to get the offer anyway, but let's go here, Marketplace, real quick. Now, when you go to here and you pick your offer, which is this, right, $133, which is this, and you click this right here, I want to show you something. Make sure you do this. Opt in to receive immediate 10% commission bump. Because what that does is it goes from 75% commission, 10% plus that, right, is an 85% commission. So just remember to do that, because that's an easy way to bump up your commissions. So anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to get our email. And it's the weekend, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep it simple. I'm going to see if we can send this same email again, right? And see if we can score another goal. So would $300 help you out in a first name? So let's go here, email, mailing system. We're going to select all, right? Then we're going to come here. We're going to click here. And it's loaded, right? So that's what it is. I'm going to double click here and make sure that this has my link 1 info in here so we can see which link they pressed on. Link 1. Change the date to the 9th. Because we're just going to resend the same email again. Keep this video nice and short. Come down here. Put this right here again. Boom. Control V. Open save. And of course, on this one, this is our free gift. We'll leave that here. Yeah, we'll leave that here. That is our free gift for that other opportunity we had. So we'll go here. And this is actually a $25 program for a $25 business. But it's giving away a free ebook. So that's what I'm going to change it to. I'm going to say, double click here. I'm going to say, get your free ebook to a 30-minute work day. Get get your free ebook to a 30-minute workday. Get your free 30-minute workday ebook. Yeah, I'll put that here. 30-minute workday ebook. Put this here. 30-minute workday ebook, right? Click here. And that's just gonna get them to there and possibly get them on to get that ebook. And once they get the ebook, they'll see that the offer is only $25, and I'll get a $20 commission on that opportunity. So that's what I'm gonna run in the PS line. Everything is still set. Let's look at the preview. This is here. That's good. This is here. That's good. This is here. That's good. So we're all set. So what we're gonna do, double check I selected all the leads, and we'll hit send email. So back to our ClickBank. So I'm sending the email, and I'll wait till you can see that it sends. Boom, 23 hours from now, I can send another one. Stats real quick again to show you that drop down, that bottomed out, right? And we are off to the races. As you can see, this one is still climbing. This kind of did it yesterday, 208 opens. The last click was actually, it's still being clicked on, so maybe that'll go a little higher. But I mean, as you can see, it doesn't take many clicks in order to get a sale. This one was approximately, 160 clicks and we got a sale. According to the tracker in ClickBank though, what did that say? It was like 100, it was only 90. Let's go here, look real quick. Reporting. Here we go. Let's go here. Tracking ID. It only showed we had 90 hops in order to get that sale. So it was just a good day based on that. But yeah, that's all that I got. It was a good day. Let's go back to dashboard. It was a good day. We received $67.54. As you can see, just from the numbers here alone, this is more than enough to pay for our Mylead Gen Secret opportunity. Matter of fact, I'm going to add up these totals, and then actually it's more than that, but because on the 9th we made our first sale. So I'll just add this up here, 155.32, 31.35, 84.07, 137.24 plus 135.37 equals $543. And that's not counting what we earned on that very first sale on the 9th. Let's see if we can go there so I can put it on my thumbnail, right? We made a sale back on the 9th, on December 9th. Let's see if I got that record in here. On December 9th, it's not in here no more. 12. Yeah, so actually it's probably more than $543, to be honest with you. So let's go to paychecks real quick. Oh, so I got paid. So these are the thresholds. Oh, I can lower my threshold. That's what, yeah, okay. Yeah, I can do that. I can do that. So back on 12 here, we got this payment. This one's on hold. Yeah. But anyway, as you can see, we've already made enough, more than enough to cover our monthly Mylead Gen Secret $30 a month bill. So this little experiment has been very profitable if you want to look at it in that sense, right? We were not spending any money out of our pocket. We paid our monthly bill of $30 at the beginning of December. We've made $543 in 26 days, right? So yeah, it's very profitable. So I can pay for a whole year Mylead Gen Secret, and we can run it and keep doing what we're doing. One email a day, generating $60+ every time we make a sale. That's $60 a day. Let me write this down real quick. What was that? $543.35. So like $60 a day. That's like $1,800 a month extra if we can make $60 a day. But even if we only make in half a month's worth, right? So it's 15. So say if we only make 15 sales at 60 times 60, that's still $900 in 15 days, right? Half of the month, if we make a sale for half of the month, every other day, we would still make $900 in a month. And you can't tell me that that's not money that you wouldn't like, right? But anyway, that's all that I got. As you can see, we had another good day, which is great. We're going to continue until day 30, and then we'll figure out what else we want to promote with Mylead Gen Secret. Or maybe I'll just go back to promoting my other opportunities and see where we go from there. But anyway, that's all that I got. Thanks for hanging out. All the links will be in the description box below. The Mylead Gen Secret link if you want to partner with me. I also leave a link that you can start an online business for $25 and earn $20 commissions on. And I'll have that link in the description box below. But anyway, that's all that I got. Thanks for hanging out. I'm out.